This is the 2055 self-closing fine-tip tweezer, which has been a classic for years when screws were small, well, some of them still are. It's a perfect tweezer for securing a screw and holding it steady while you put it into a nose pad or into a hinge. But screws now are larger, gigantic, relatively speaking. And the old tweezer didn't work on the longer, larger screws. So we developed the 2055 XL, which is redesigned to hold the longer, larger screws really steady when you put them into the barrel or into the eye wire.